All right, cool. Excellent. Here we go. Everybody look here. We got lemon juice, cranberry juice, everything's labeled, vinegar, and water. So we're going to start with water. And I have my container here because I want to catch anything. If anything happens, I want to catch it so that it doesn't spill on the table. All right, so here we go. We're starting with baking soda and water. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to observe any reaction you see, and you're going to type into the box what you observe. You don't have to say anything right now because we'll go over it later, but let's see. So here we go. Experiment 1. Okay. Okay. All right. Give you guys a minute to write into the box. What did you observe? Give you guys a minute. We'll put that one to the side and pick up the next one. What's the next one on the sheet? Vinegar. So that'll be our next one. Go ahead and type into the box what you observed. It doesn't have to be complete sentences. Just put exactly what you saw, if anything. Okay. All right. So while you guys are finishing that up, we're going to go to the next one. Everybody look here. Look here. Baking soda, vinegar. Okay. All right. Go ahead and write into the box next to vinegar what you observe. It's okay to put a few details in there, what you observed exactly, what happened. Mr. Madison pouring it in, then I saw this. All right. Okay. Okay. So while you guys are finishing it up, the next one we're going to do is baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda and lemon juice. Okay. All right, here we go. So everybody look here. Lemon juice, baking soda. This one is lemon juice and baking soda. Okay. All right, go ahead and record your findings. Record your findings. And the last one is going to be cranberry juice. Go ahead and record your findings. Give you a moment to get that together. Type in what you saw. They don't have to be complete sentences. Just type in exactly what you observed. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we are ready. Here we go. All right, everybody look here. Baking soda, cranberry juice. This is just something I found in the fridge. So here we go. Now, if you try this at home, you might want to wear some gloves just because you don't want to make the mess. But in the lab, if we're going to deal with chemicals that there may be reactions, we're probably always going to be wearing gloves and using some sort of tongs. Did everybody see that? Look at that. Notice the difference. I'm just putting that out there. It's a hint. Notice the difference in this reaction compared to the other reactions we saw. Just something to think about. Okay. All right, put this to the side. I want to give you guys a few minutes just to think about that. And while you're doing that, this is the part where I'm going to put you guys in some breakout rooms for just a few minutes so you can discuss A, what you've seen, and B, the 3 questions that we talked about earlier. So just as a review, under your must-do assignments. And then I posted it as a PDF or Word document, just depending on where you want to type your information. But the questions talk about drawing conclusions. What clues tell you that a chemical reaction occurred? Number 2 is about applying the concepts of the skeleton equation. All this is asking you is the equation balanced? My hint for you is look at the subscripts, the tiny 3, the tiny 2s on both sides of the equation, with the arrow being the middle of the equation. And then you say why or why not. And then third is the connection to the big idea. How does the law of conservation of mass apply to this experiment? So I'm going to separate you guys into your breakout rooms for about 6 minutes. And then I will be popping in on you to see how you are doing and check on your progress.